feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like, Daddy, why is the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? Will I be tall and strong and brave? There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. No matter where you go, always know you can depend on your Father's love, especially when it's cold, especially when you're lonely, when your little heart's just trying to find its way. And I know the world is always changing, but remember, son, some things never change. Even when my life on earth is through, there will still be part of me in you. 'Cause some things are forever, nothing's ever gonna take my love from you. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to our pinsang Pogi Luis.
Kumusta na? I hope you have a good birthday. And I pray and we pray
70th
that you're
birthday.
going to have many more birthday to come.
It's blessings. See, you're already 70 years old, but still young.
Yeah.
Yeah. May you have many more birthdays to come, and may God grant you many more years of good health. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Enjoy your celebration. We missed you, and
Happy birthday!
happy birthday again. We love you.
Love you.
Love you, Pinsan.
Bye.
Our
Bye.
Pinsang Luis, the handsome guy. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Enjoy.
Pinsan, Pogi, silita ito. Happy birthday, 70th birthday. Lagi ka mag-iingat diyan, okay? Pinsan, sa susunod, sasama ako kay na Eric sa 80 years old mo. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ninong! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Luis! Happy birthday! Gwen, happy birthday! Ninong, miss na kita!
Hey, Tito Luis. Enjoy your day po. Happy birthday po, Tito. Thankful po ako at nakilala ko po kayo. Thank you po at sa lahat ng naitulong niyo sa amin. Ang wish ko po, sana po bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para po marami pa po kayo lalong matulungan. Enjoy your day po. Happy birthday!
Kuya, happy birthday sa July 11. Maraming salamat sa inyong bigay. Pati sa inyong mga anak. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Luis! Ikaw ay mag-iingat diyan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luis!
More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luis! Sana marami ka pang birthday na dumaan sa iyong buhay. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Umuwi ka dito na tayo magpangipangita habang tayo ay malalakas pa. Happy birthday uli. Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Umping Luis!
Oy, Luis, happy birthday. Ano pa? Kumusta? Wala na, yun na lang. Kumusta? Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Lola Luis!
Happy 70th birthday sa iyo, Luis Bagi. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Aba, ibarik na. Happy birthday kung ano man yung gusto mo at wish mo sa buhay mo. Abay, sana yung matupad. Happy birthday, Luis. You're the best.
Happy birthday, Ninong!
Happy birthday, Luis.
Happy birthday, Luis! More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Luis!
Happy birthday, Luis!
Happy birthday, Kuya Luis.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Luis. Sana laging malakas ka diyan at malusog ang iyong katawan. Salamat sa mga alaala mo sa aming magkakapatid. Oh, happy birthday uli. Ingat ka palagi diyan.
Hi Ninong! Ninong Luis, kamusta na po kayo dyan sa US? Happy birthday po! Tagal-tagal na nating hindi nagkikita. Enjoy your life there. Okay, God bless po.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo Luis!
Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Ingat po palagi.
God bless you.
God bless po.
Hello Kuya Luis, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po and God bless po. Ingat po palagi and I hope to see you soon. Miss na po namin kayo. God bless, happy birthday po.
Ay, magandang umaga sa inyo. At happy birthday. Laging malakas ang katawan. Laging ang ating Panginoon Diyos, ang ating kasama. Kaya muli, happy birthday sa inyo, Luis. Good luck at happy birthday sa inyo, Dian. Kahit malayo ka, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Daddy! We love you!
Kuya Luis, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po ay bigyan po kayo ng kalakasan ng katawan at marami pa pong birthday. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday po Lolo Luis.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luis! Ingat kayo lagi.
Happy 70th birthday.
Wish ko po sa inyo good health, more blessing, more business. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po. Love you.
Happy 70th birthday po ni Luis. Kahit hindi niyo po kinuha yung chai habit sa inyong party, happy birthday po.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo Luis. Ingat palagi. Stay foggy.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Luis. God bless po.
Happy 70th birthday po, Lolo Luis. Naway marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo. Ingat po palagi dyan. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Luis. Mag-iingat ka diyan. Sana'y marami pang birthday. Salamat. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Luis. Kumusta po? Happy birthday! Kain po kayo. Happy birthday po. Good health. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Luis. More birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Ninong, happy birthday ho. God bless. Sana ho marami pang birthday ang magdaan. Ingat ho kayo palagi.
Birthday po, Kakan Luis. God bless po. Ingat po kayo palagi. In behalf po ni Ismael, ako po ang asawa niya, si Nanette, at ang aking pong anak.
Hello po.
Ay, happy birthday po. God bless po. Salamat po.
Happy birthday, Lolo Luis! More birthdays to come! Ingat po palagi! We love you! God bless!
Hi, Luis! Happy birthday! Salamat! Thank you! Happy birthday! Sana tumagal pa ang buhay natin lahat. Luis, happy birthday! 70th birthday! Sana laging malakas ang iyong katawan. Diyan. Mag-iingat ka. I love you! Bye!
Luis! Happy birthday! Sana ikaw ay malakas lagi ang katawan at laging nasa magandang hero kung Happy birthday!
Happy 70th birthday, Kuya Luis. More birthday to celebrate. Stay healthy and foggy.
Ingat po kayo palagi.
God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Luis.
Ingat po palagi.
God bless po.
Maligayang kaarawan, Kuya Luis. Ingat po lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Kuya Luis, more birthdays to come.
Ingat
po palagi. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ninong!
Happy birthday, Ninong.
Ingat dyan!
God bless.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Luis.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Luis. God bless you and take care po. Enjoy your day.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo Luis. Stay healthy and foggy. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Lola Luis.
Stay safe.
Stay strong. Stay healthy. Ingat po palagi.
God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Luis. Ingat po kayo dyan. Tama lang. Pero kung gustong
Ninong, happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Pa-birthday ko. Kayo ang magpapa-birthday sa amin. Salamat po. Happy 70th birthday, Daddy! God bless po!
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo. Happy Father's Day, Lolo. I love you. Pikachu, Kahida. Pikachu, Kahida. Pikachu, Pikachu. Pikachu, Kahida. Happy birthday.
birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Luis. Happy birthday.
Uncle, happy birthday po. More years to celebrate with good health and happiness. Thank you for everything. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. God bless you.
Ay, Tiyo, kumusta? Happy birthday nga pala. Inuman na.
Happy birthday, Mamay Luis. God bless.
I'm your brother, son, Tito Luis. Are you happy birthday? What a birthday coming?
July 11.
July 11, so many wishes for you. Your birthday is July 11, happy birthday. And I wish you a long life. And your healthy body. And your so many talented people. And so many money, your income and invest. Thank you, Tito Luis. Okay na ba?
Hello po, Mamay Luis. Happy 70th birthday po. Ingat po kayo dun palagi.
Happy birthday, Uncle Pogi. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health and sana mag-celebrate ka pa ng maraming birthday and sana umuwi ka na ng Pilipinas.
Tito, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health in life, more wealth, and thank you very much for all the tulong na binibigay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat na lahat ng tulong na naibigay mo. Never to mention dahil napakadami na noon. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday ulit. Happy 21st birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Luis. We miss you and
We love you.
birthday to Happy birthday, Luis. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Luis. Happy birthday. Ano 70? Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan. Happy birthday. Okay?
Happy birthday, Tio Luis.
Happy birthday, Tio Luis. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Mula po sa pamilya ni Randy Bagi, kami po Tio Luis ay bumabati sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan. Nawa po ay laging malusog ang inyong pangangatawan at ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Luis.
Happy birthday, Tito Luis.
Happy birthday po.
I wish you more happiness, good health, and more years to celebrate. May God's love keep you always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Luis. Happy birthday, Lola Luis.
Hoy, musta ka na, Luis? Matatanda na tayo. Kailan gang iyong uwi? Para tayo magkita-kita naman. Happy birthday pala. And more birthdays to come, ha? Mag-ingat ka dyan.
Kuya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Luis.
O sing, happy birthday
To
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo Luis.
Happy birthday, Lolo Luis.
God bless you.
Bless you.
I love you.
Love you.
Ampe, happy birthday. Sana'y laging malakas ang inyong katawan at madami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyong buhay.
Happy birthday, Lola. I wish you the best and stay safe. I'll see you soon. Happy birthday, Lola. I hope you have the best wishes. I hope you're doing well. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Daddy Luis. Ingat po parate. Stay healthy and be safe. Hope to see you soon po. Ingat.
Happy birthday po. Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Daddy Luis! More birthdays to come po! Happy birthday po, Daddy Luis! Stay handsome and be healthy.
Happy 70th birthday po, Daddy Luis. Ang wish po namin sa iyo ay sana always good health. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo Daddy! We love you so much and we wish you a very good health!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
We wish you good health and long life. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Daddy! Love you! Stay poggy! See you! Happy birthday, Lola! Stay poggy!
Stay foggy.
God bless!
God bless.
Love you!
Love you.
Heart, heart!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Love you. Love you. Stay foggy.
So much, very much. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. I miss you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to the best guy in the world! See you later! Love you!
Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to the best daddy in the whole wild world. I love you. I miss you. See you soon. Love you.